Hey guys, so I haven't been into the hive in a while, so I'm excited to check up on them. And yeah, I got a new tripod to help me film my videos, so I'm excited to test this out in this video. So I'm sorry if there's like some bad shots or anything, but I'm working it out. So yeah, and I'll see you over there. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I got this tripod. My birthday was recently. And my aunt, who is the whole reason I got into beekeeping in the first place, got it for me to help me with my tree. So, yeah, I'm thankful. Alright, so first opening up the hive here. And the cover. And so these, I see one like tiny little wax mark larvae thing. So I think that should be okay. Anyway, I put in a hive beetle trap last week, and I'm gonna see how well that was. So mainly what I'm just gonna see is I think I'm gonna check and see if they need feeding. So yeah, so that's a hive beetle in there. You can see it. They're about. So this thing here, a little bit of cat honey. So I'm just gonna skip ahead through this box and see if they have any honey in the bottom super. The bees are really chill. That's a good sign. So nothing on this outside queen here, but that's expected because they don't do much in the outside frames unless it's like really full. So if I do see shortage of honey here, I will just start making some food for them, or if I have to do feeding. So far it's looking pretty good. There's a ton of propolis here on the hive, which is like the bees glue. They make it from like sap and stuff, so they use it to secure the hive and make sure that heat doesn't get out and stuff. So this frame has some good capped honey on it. I will, and now I'll move into the brood box where the most important thing is their queen and or is there eggs. Population looks pretty good down there. And so this is cool. I'll try to. Here's the area in there, all the bees that are in the top super. And then this is the queen excluder, which I'll be taking off in just a second. There we go. Wow, that's amazing. I've been watching Mr. and Mrs. Bee Rescue recently. They're pretty good. They capture swarms and bring them back. They're super fun and wonderful. I would go check them out. And it's amazing how they like see how they can like pick her out, like they dream out from like thousands of bees, like being all piled on top of each other. Like here, which I obviously cannot find her. So. But they're super calm, which shows me that they're like I don't see any bees flying around me. So that shows me that they're clean, right? But I see some bees. Yeah. Super calm. I'm sorry, I think this is a shot. Okay. I don't see her, but I see a bunch of small larvae. It's getting dark. It's a later inspection, but I was figuring out some technology for the channel and stuff. So, yeah, there's eggs. Yippee! Guys, thank you so much for watching. It was another successful day in the Springwood Farm apiary. We have eggs, honey, so there's probably a queen. Thank you so much for watching this video and supporting me, and if this video brought you joy or helped you and you learned something, please like it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.